Hi, I'm Jeff Whidden. I'm the construction rep for Northern Nova Scotia at Alpha Equipment. So one of the things that I pride myself on, and I know the other salespeople in this company pride themselves on, is their ability to assess what the customer really needs. We'll spend time with you. We'll have discussions on what really means a lot to you and what doesn't mean anything to you. You know, we want to make sure that the machine fits you as well as it can, because we want a repeat customer. We want to build that relationship. So we put a lot of effort into that. Dealing with Hyundai, when I first met some of the engineers from the company, it strikes you how committed they are to quality. They're very, very well built, very protected by their warranties, and we have very little issue with them. It's been a pleasure selling the Hyundais. I really enjoy working with the people from Hyundai. They're responsive to any issues we have had, even if there hasn't been very many of them. So, yeah, Hyundai's a really valuable asset for our company. People typically are surprised at the quality of the Hyundais because they're not the most expensive machine on the market, but they are. I put them against any machine on the market for quality. And as far as accessories or up-speccing them, they come very well appointed right from the factory. We very typically don't add a whole lot to them.